Hi, today in front of me Nokia C32 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application, then scroll down to the wallpaper and style. Click here to change wallpaper section, and here you'll see photos from your device gallery. You could use them or previously downloaded photos from the internet. Also, you could use just the regular default photos. Just select lock screen, tap to OK and tap lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds, wallpaper set successfully. So also we get one more way how we could do that. Just you should first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpaper and style, and after that by the same way select one from the. You could also change the theme, the colors of the theme, and tap to change wallpaper. So you'll see here all of the available wallpapers for this from your device gallery, defaults, and just to select one from them. For example, this one, lock screen. Okay. Oh, sorry, not home screen, lock screen. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.